Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, welcome. My name is Laifa and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me video. I'm going to be transforming from this to this. I wanted to start with my makeup, but let me just do my hair and get it out of the way. So for my hair, I'm going to be using this bad boy right here. I've already curled her. Bad girl, not bad boy. I've already curled her and I have a tutorial, an in-depth tutorial. Listen guys, I put up a video on how I do my closure wig and people said it wasn't detailed and beginner friendly. So I decided to do another one, an in-depth tutorial. So I'm going to link that somewhere on the screen and also in my description box down below. So this is the wig. I already made her, curled her and everything. So now I'm just going to take out all the clips I used to curl the hair and put it on.
Run free, so I drown them out at night with my TV. Try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. It's just out before I'm in too deep and I can't go back. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm back. I would like to take you for a ride. Alright, enough messing around. So I'm back. I've laid my hair, brushed it into place, and I'm feeling this hair. I'm living for this hair. Like, who's this gorgeous lady? Like, do I even need to put out this makeup anymore? Anyways guys, I love the hair. It's really nice. I dyed it myself. Like, I didn't even use bleach. Like, I just dyed it with only developer. Like, I soaked the hair in developer for a few hours and that was it. Like, nothing else. I didn't use dye, I didn't use bleach, none of that, just developer, and it came out really nice. So this hair is from ISHOW Hair. It's their body wave hair. I'm going to leave all the details in my description box down below. So now let us get into this makeup. Alright guys, so now that my hair is out of the way, it's time to dive into this makeup. So I'm now going to prime using the Zaron face primer. Like I've said before on my channel, I don't have oily skin, so I pretty much just use a moisturizing primer to prime my face. How are you guys doing? What's up? What's been going on with you? It's been a while since I did one of these get ready with me videos, you know. And today I decided to go all out. I even fixed my nails, guys. I fixed my nails. I cannot remember the last time I fixed my nails. You guys know that me and nails are not friends. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty in Nutmeg. So I'm going to apply that with a brush first before I go into a beauty blender. Now that I'm done applying the foundation with a brush, I'm going to go into my beauty sponge. So I already put water in it and made it down. So I'm pretty much just going all over my face, making sure everything is all blended. For highlighting, I'm going to be mixing these two concealers from Huda Beauty, Salted Caramel and Peanut Butter. Actually, before I go into my highlights, let me do my contour. So I'm going to be contouring my face with this shade in Tan. So that's what it looks like. I've already started using it, like I said. So it actually came with a brush to contour your nose and to contour your cheeks. So let me actually use the brush it came with. So I'm going to use this one. This brush helps you to apply and blend at the same time. So anyways, like I was saying, I've been going through, like, initially I didn't just know what was wrong with me. Everything was just making me unhappy. I was no longer deriving joy from the things that I usually derive joy from, which is my YouTube, doing makeup on clients. And one of the reasons why this whole my makeup career. If you didn't know, I'm a makeup artist. That's what I do. Like, that's my job. One of the reasons why I've been getting so tired of doing makeup is because of the clients that I have to deal with sometimes.
With my TV, you know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head. It's just out before I'm in too deep and I can't go back.
Setting powder, I'm going to be using the Fenty Beauty setting powder in the shade Honey. Before I go into that, I'm going to set it first with my normal face powder, MAC in Dark Deepest. Then I'm going to go into the Fenty setting powder, just a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm done with my brows and I'm back. Time for eyeshadow. I'm going to be prepping my eyes with that Huda Beauty concealer in the shade Salted Caramel. You know what, before I do that, I'm going to apply Laura Mercier setting powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I can't go on to.
I'm going to go into the Juvia's Place Zulu palette. I'm going to use this shade right here as my transition shade. Next, I'm going to go into this Mood Beauty palette in Arusha. I'm going to be using this brown shade right here called Mocha, whatever it's called. So I'm just going to bring this shade down just a tiny bit. I'm going to go into this small crease brush from Evita Joseph. What am I thinking about that? I should know that. Then I'm going to go back into that shade from the Juvia's Place eyeshadow palette and blend out the edge. I'm going to go back into that Arusha palette and go into a darker brown. This one called Jabari. I'm going to concentrate this color in the inner corner, outer corner and crease of my eyes. I'm going to use that same Juvia's Place. I really like the shade of this brown. It's kind of orangey brown, sort of. So you see the way I use it to blend this eye. So I'm going to do the same thing on this other eye, just to blend that harsh line away. For the center, if you guys can tell already, I'm trying to go for a halo eye. I'm going to use the Benign Clown White. I'm just going to put this in the center with my middle finger. You know what? This nail is not allowing me to be great. So I'm actually going to go in and use a brush. I'm going to go back into the same Arusha palette and I'm going to use this one called, I'm going to use this shade called Shalala. I almost wanted to say Shalalala. So I'm going to use the same brush and just pat that shade right there in the middle. I'm sort of using it to cut it. Next, I'm going to go into this pigment. There's no name on it. I've had it for a long time. I don't even know where I got it from. I'm going to first of all apply my NYX glitter glue as the base for the pigment. I hope this thing is showing on camera because right here it is looking bomb, you guys. Whoosh. Hello, welcome to the party. To blend the line, you don't want these lines of demarcations in between the middle color and the brown. So I'm going to go back into the Arusha palette. I'm going to use this shade called Iyoba and blend the outer corners. So to finish off the eyes, I'm going to use my Inglot gel liner. But before I do that, I'm going to dust off the excess powder under my eyes. To finish up the eyes, I'm going to go back into that Ben 9 Clown White and apply this white. You can use NYX Jumbo Pencil. I'm going to apply this in my waterline. And I'm going to use a nude eyeshadow to set it. I'm going to use this one from Beauty by AD. I'm going to use this shade. You can use any nude eyeshadow. And I'm going to go back into the Arusha palette and I'm going to take this shade called Bonesha. I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm going to swatch this under the white shade or nude shade that I just put in my waterline. I'm going to go back into that Zaran Lengthening Mascara. Now I'm going to apply this on my bottom lashes. I'm going to take these bottom lashes from B Lashes. I'm finally done with my eyes and I'm so obsessed with it. I'm going to go back into that Fenty setting powder and I'm just going to do a bit of reverse contour. For blush, I'm going to be using Mood Beauty and I'm going to be using this shade. Let's use this shade today. So I'm just going to use this, press it in. And swirl. I'm going to go into this new release from Huda Beauty. For highlight, I'm going to be using the Mood Beauty palette. I'm going to use this bronze shade. So I just noticed something about the setting spray. It is matte. So if you have oily skin, this is for you. Like, I can feel that this makeup is not going to go anywhere. Like, that's how I feel right now. It's very matte. So I'm also going to apply a bit of that highlighter on my brow bone. I haven't done this in a while, but let's see if we still like it. I'm going to go back into setting spray, but I'm not using the Huda Beauty one because it's really matte and I have dry skin. So I'm going to go back into, I'm going to use the setting spray. This is Kiss Beauty. Moving on to lips so we can finish this look. I know you guys are tired, but I don't want this video to be long. You guys, let me know, do you guys hate long videos? Like, I don't even know. Like, I feel like I don't really know what you guys like. So please, let me know in the comment section down below. I'm going to use this brown lippy from Zaran in the shade Shady. Because this thing is not dark enough. I need a darker brown. Alright, that's more like it. It was looking weird before. So I'm going to put this lippy from Shally Beauty in the shade Sweet Tea in the middle. I feel like it's looking a bit dull, so I'm going to put another shade from Shally Beauty in Take Me Home in the center. guys, so this is the finished look. I just threw on this dress and these earrings. They are both from Fashion Nova. Like I said before, the hair I'm wearing is from ISHOW Hair, their body wave hair, and I'm living for how it looks right now. I'm still learning how to do the whole frontal business, and I think I'm better than I was yesterday, and tomorrow I'll be better than I am today. So please, if it looks funny to you, don't yap your girl, don't tease your girl. I'm still learning. Don't worry, I'm gonna shock you guys very soon when my frontal is like Wallace. I'm gonna join the Wallace gang very soon, don't worry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video from the bottom of my heart. I really want to say thank you to my day one. You guys have been here from day one. You guys have been supporting me, my channel. The love I get when I meet you guys in public warms my heart, and I really want to say from the bottom of my heart that I love you guys. Thank you and God bless you. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, join the family. Let's get me to 100k, please. Let me get that plaque, that 100k plaque, please. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, way out, face reflecting bright green, brights and blues.